Hey guys, if your C drive keeps filling up automatically in Windows 11, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you a few quick and easy fixes. Now, the very first thing we need to do is head over to our start menu and just search for settings, and then come over to the settings window. In the left hand navigation, come over to system and then scroll down to storage. Now, if we scroll slightly down, you'll see this option at the top here called storage sense. Now, first of all, you just want to make sure this is actually turned on. And as you can see in the description down here, this will automatically free up space, delete temporary files, and manage locally available cloud content. So this is a really good built-in tool by Windows that will just basically help keep your storage space low. And then if we just click inside of storage sense here, then first of all, just make sure this option at the top here is ticked. Then go ahead and toggle on automatic user content cleanup. Come down to configure cleanup schedules. Now, this all comes down to personal preference. You can either choose to run storage sense when your disk space is low, or you can just do it consistently every week or every day. I think every day is a bit too much, so I'd recommend selecting either every week or during low free disk space. For the recycle bin, this is just basically how long things will stay in your recycle bin before they're permanently deleted. I like to reduce this down to 14 days, as I think 30 days is a little bit too much. And once you've configured all of these settings, then you need to go ahead and select Run Storage Sense Now. Now, this may take a few minutes to run, and this will just go ahead and clean up some storage space. Now, once you've finished inside of here, we can close out of this window, and the next thing you'll need to do is head over to your recycle bin on your desktop, and we're just going to right click on the recycle bin, come over to Properties, and what we're going to do here is we're going to configure how big this recycle bin can get. Now, at the moment, it's set to 25,000 megabytes, which is 25 gigabytes. I would recommend reducing this to a maximum of 10,000, so 10 gigabytes. So just go ahead and select custom size and type in 10,000 here. Now, for maximum storage, you can actually select this bottom option here. Don't move files to the recycle bin, remove files immediately when deleted. Now, this is a great option for saving space on your computer, but it does mean that when you delete a file or application, then it will be permanently deleted from your PC. So I'm just going to keep this set to custom size and go ahead and press apply and OK. And the next thing you're going to do is head back over to the start menu, search for disk cleanup, then tap on the disk cleanup tool. Down at the bottom here, press clean up system files, and then just go ahead and check all of these boxes inside of here. And once you've checked everything, it's going to tell you how much disk space you'll gain by doing this. So as you can see, this will save me almost 9 gigabytes in storage. And then we're going to go ahead and press OK. Click on delete files. Once you've done that, we're going to come back over to the start menu, search for settings, and come over to the settings window. From the left hand side, we need to come over to apps, inside of installed apps. And what I'd recommend doing inside of here is just ordering this by which applications are consuming the most amount of hard disk space. To do that, come over to this sort by, and we want to change this from size large to small. Then what you need to do is just go through your list of applications and uninstall any applications that you no longer need. You'll be surprised by how many things in here that we can actually just get rid of. And to uninstall an application, we just come over to these three horizontal dots, click on uninstall, and once again hit uninstall. Then the last thing you're going to do is head back over to the start menu, search for create a restore point, and come over to create a restore point. Down at the bottom here, we're just going to press this configure button. Then down in this section, you'll see disk space usage. Now, this is basically just the space allocated for all of our system restore points. If you have this slider set to super high, then obviously it's going to consume a lot of your resources. So I'd recommend adjusting this to either 1 or 2%, depending on how big your hard disk is. And we can also come over to delete all restore points for this drive and just press delete, and then go ahead and press continue. Then once you've performed all of these steps, if you still have the issue where your hard disk space is filling up automatically, then what I'd recommend doing is downloading a free antivirus software, as it could be the case that you have some sort of malware or virus on your computer. Now, a good free tool that I would recommend using is Avast. It's completely free to use, and you'll be able to scan your computer completely free of charge. And if you've checked your computer for any viruses and that's still not the issue, then it may be a good time to consider upgrading your hard drive, as it could just be a case that you have a low storage hard drive. And that's it, guys. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.